19-11 and a half.
Hey, Cecilia, tomahawk her arm. Get her arms off. You gotta come help. Good, Ryan. Good. Go, bro. There you go. Steelers, Cecilia. Get her on your hip. There you go. There you go. Good. Yeah, good beat there, Pat. Nice job, sir. Free ball, free ball. Yeah, stay on him, Metcalf. Stay on him. That's the line. Good D, Metcalf. Good D. Get that. Get that. Good. Yeah, good D. Good hustle. Down. Good hustle, Phil. Stay on him, stay on him, stay on him. Hands off! There you go. There you go. Keep this, Metcalf. Keep it. Yeah. Good. Strong. Strong down low. Go up, Metcalf. Come on again. Go. Right. Good up, Metcalf. Come on. Defense, Metcalf. Defense. Have you done any traveling? Yeah, I was in California 3 times. We went to Tennessee, some of these. Pebble Beach was great. You went to, you didn't have to stay at the lodge. It was like $1,000 a night, but it was closed, so you could play the sports without having to do this extraordinary thing. It was awesome. Tennessee for a wedding, Virginia for 2 weddings. Oh wow! The further south we went, the better our life. Nice job, Grace. Defense! Come on, defense! Good job. Good job. They're playing better now.
Yeah, I know that. Well, the defense, I don't know, the other team has got everybody on this fight. When we go to the press, they don't spread it out at all. Get it.
Such a tough shot. You can just get it in the spot with his. Hey! Sit a pick, sit. $22-18. Down, $22-18. Good. Get the rebound. No. Cut, Silk!
Good night. Set up. Hey, you got one behind you.
Nice job, girls!
Yeah, get on her.
Get back there. Who's talking the ball?
Okay, come on, buddy.
Get off the label. Just kept that play alive. That was good.
They caught that ball, but they kept this ball.
Still see ball, baby. Turn around.
Yeah, come on, man.
Nice job, Ava.
What's the guard? Oh, yeah.
Tired.
Defense, set it up, defense. Looking good, Aaron. that. Now let her out, Ed. Let her out, first. Set up a play. Set up a play.
Steal!
Swing it. Swing it. Get it out.
Nice! Shoot!
Defense! Defense! Come on!
Three! Set up!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Good defense! Good defense!
Nice job. Listen, cut or post. Go ahead, post.
Yeah, they can hold it well.
Get her hands off, Silk. Foul! That's good, baby. Get down there. Especially there you go.
Defense! Defense! Come on!
Can't see that half-court line there. Good. Go! Good rebound.
Yeah! Oh, wow.
Cecilia missed a shot. She did. She got the rebound, but she missed a shot. She didn't take a shot.
So you took the first shot.
Cecilia took a shot. Travel. They were late.
That was a good pass.
Get in there, Silk.
I like that a lot. Got her head up pretty good too. 4. Way to fight.
Nice, Cecilia, go get it! Good tip. Good. Strong rebound and go. Get it and go! Good. Play. Nice play.
Good pass.
Great play.
Oh, nice forward. At least get on top of the rim. They're throwing him up to 4.
We took a better job.
Whoa,
whoa!
I hit the guard and Wow. Wow.
Rebound!
Baby, get on the 13.
You don't need a 3. You got plenty of time.
Yeah.
You watch the Celtics?
Yeah. Yeah, finally. They looked like a team for most of a game for a team. Yeah, they're tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow I'm playing golf.
They're playing tomorrow.
Sorry, what's
Celtics tomorrow.
Oh yeah, Celtics tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah,
That's the Jack Cup. Celtics,
the
right?
Patriots game. I'm gonna miss the Patriots
Oh,
game.
yeah. So, they're playing the Raiders for 1, right?
Yeah, they gotta win that game.
How are the Raiders doing?
They're 1-1. 2-1.
Yeah, I gotta say, I was pretty impressed with even in that loss. I mean,
Yeah, I didn't think they were gonna win that game. So
yeah. Well,
yeah, they
nobody big at them.
How many rebounds have they got, you know, down there? Especially the first half.
They wrote that one up. There we go.
Court 6, we got good seats.
Oh, yeah. Did they do the same thing all summer with the 2 games back to back?
Yeah. Get it!
Oh. Big shot. Defense, come on, defense. Come on, D. Get out, son. Post strong. Too big. Too hands after the game.
They did have these whistles that you kind of depressed to hit a whistle like sound. But I think some of either they're using them now and the product got better or
But this game's ended. The two teams don't shake hands.
Oh yeah, no, I don't think so.
Release a fist bump or something. I don't know. It's like, you play a game against somebody, you got to call it. It's like the whole sport. I don't know. You go out and fight somebody and then oh, nice pass. Oh. Yeah.
Defense!
Defense.
Girls, what are you doing? What are we doing? And what are we doing? And something good. And what are we doing? And what are we doing? And what are we doing?
Oh, don't do that.
And what are we doing? And what are we doing? It's gotta be like the worst minute of basketball I've ever seen in my life.
We've got a minute or less. We've got a ball corner here in this game. Quarter started well. What? Are they calling it?
This game.
That's not normal, is it? That was only 3, right?
No, that was halves.